Let's explore.
I'm in the Rocks and I may have decided to have a little snack. I've got a direct line view down to the quay, which we're going to explore as well today. This is the overseas passenger terminal. There's so much to see around this area. Starting a cruise in Sydney Harbour is a great thing to do. Opposite the terminal you've got all these historic buildings, and up that way is the historic Rocks precinct. So sad to see the terminal entry shut down. How amazing are these old, what would have been dockside buildings, most of them. This is called Campbell's Cove, overseas passenger terminal precinct apparently. It's all been redeveloped over the last couple of years. Restaurants, there's a Squire's Landing at the end of the terminal to enjoy. But look at that, you're sitting right under the Harbour Bridge. Iconic Sydney ferry, or two. The Opera House coming into view in the background. And we come panning around Sydney skyline and Circular Quay ferry terminal, the railway station, and there's now a light rail down there as well, and easy access. So as I said, usually along here there is a ship parked, or docked, so we don't usually get to walk along here. This building right next to the overseas passenger terminal is the Museum of Contemporary Art. If you need your contemporary art fix and you're in Sydney, head there. I'll put a link in the description below so that you can find out all the times, costs and anything else that you need to know about visiting any of the distant locations I show in this video. Okay, we're moving into the quay area. On this side there's shops and the entrances to the railway station, which you need the open card. Then you've got the wharfs. You need to know where you're going. Look for one of these notice boards with maps. Just like a railway or a underground that will show you where you're going. And then you've got timetables up there as well. As you can see, it's getting a bit grey out there. This is over on the Opera House side. Shops, cafes. This is quite a popular meeting point actually, all around Circular Quay. There are these nice little information boards and they let you know what you're closest to and how to get to where you need to go. The Opera House concourse. And there we go, the iconic Opera House, Luna Park and Harbour Bridge all in one shot. The Opera Bar, the Opera House. Anyone who knows me or has been around for a while, you've probably heard Phil comment that if I see particularly families or couples trying to do selfies, I always offer to take a photo for them. It gives people a photo that's got a bit more than an arm length in it. I'm okay with that. It's going to start raining, so I'm not sure if I'm going to get into the gardens before I head back over to our hotel, which I can see from here. Circular Quay is absolutely beautiful. There's so much to see and just wander around and take in. And when you've had enough of wandering around or doing the museums, you can always find a restaurant or a cafe and sit and enjoy the passing traffic of ferries and people watch. They are doing tours again now and have shows on. Check their website, I'll put it in the description below. And if you're getting value or enjoying this video today, why not hit the like button? That helps YouTube tell everybody else that I'm producing content worth sharing. And this is Sydney and the sky has definitely changed colour. I'm now at the far end of the Opera House, and if we turn around there's the Man O' War Steps ferry wharf, also Fort Denison. We come round and we're at the Botanic Gardens and the Queen Elizabeth II gate. So we're going to go for a little bit of a walk and I'll show you a few things around the Botanic Gardens. Unfortunately I think the weather's going to close in, but as you can see there's walking paths, there's beautiful green spaces, there's plant displays. You can actually do a Aboriginal tour as well, all of this as your backdrop. along the concourse of under the opera house. I've decided, because it's raining and I'd like to get back and try and get to my hotel, I'll go through here for a bit for some undercover. So I'm staying at the Rydges, Sydney Harbour. That's beautiful. I love it. It's only small, but it's quite quaint. And it looks out over the Harbour Bridge. Got to be happy with that. Oh, and there's a museum of love down there. It's heading up to the rooftop. That's the view. Just there. Those two blue things, that's the overseas passenger terminal, and then just heaps of cool shops and stuff in the old wharf buildings and Circular Quay in the city. How cool is it to look down on some of the roofs of these old alleyways? I was over round past the Opera House at the Gardens and it absolutely bucketed down. So I got a little bit wet. I've come back to the hotel, had a bit of a regroup, and now the sun's come back out, the sky's blue, and I'm going to go and see what else I can discover. From our bedroom I've seen a love museum and a few other things just up this end of the rocks, so I'm going to wander the arcades around here and see what I can find for you. Over in that building there, that yellow banner, that's the Ken Doan Gallery. This street here is George Street. It runs right into the centre of the city, and it was actually the first road built by Europeans, and initially it was called the High Street, and in 1810 it became George Street when Governor Macquarie changed its name to George Street in honour of the King. It's the Love Museum. We're up there somewhere on the 6th floor. This is Playfair Street. How quaint. Cute little post box. The Rocks Information Centre. You know what I think about an information centre. Full of gold. Tucked just up between our hotel, which is straight down the end of that thing, and where I had my coffee before, is the Rocks Discovery Museum. Great little museum, free to enter. Lots of information boards and stuff to see, and I'll put a link in the description.
Feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright.
Up on the second floor there is a little film area, and it's got 5 different documentaries that you can watch that are quite interesting. This one's about the Woodlock road system that was around till the 30s.
All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough.
How cool is this little walkway? There is a Rocks Artist Trail and a map that shows you where everything is. So all around the back alleys and stuff there are interesting little bits of information about early life here in the Rocks area, how it developed, and changes that happened in the early years. They're all quite fascinating, really. Just wander, get lost, find a sign, read it, and yeah, stop for a drink occasionally. after it being so wet before and getting washed out of the gardens. The sun's on its way down. It's about 6:30, 7 o'clock at night. I thought I'd go and have another walk. Let's get some harbour views with the sun setting in the west and enjoy our evening.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be.
But how beautiful is this end of day?
Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you.
The Opera House. Did you know that you could climb the Sydney Harbour Bridge and go right to the top? You can. And you can actually climb one of the pylons as well to the lookout point at the top. You know, it doesn't matter where we are in the world. When you come back to your own capital city, sometimes you're just surprised and just amazed and in awe and fall in love all over again. I've got to say, as a kid, I probably didn't appreciate the history and everything else and the beauty and the architecture of Sydney, but it really is a vibrant city. The vibrancy of the city does not end. When the sun goes down, there's great nightlife, there's restaurants, and always check the local guides to see what amazing events are happening at the time you visit. If you got value out of today, why not hit that like and subscribe buttons? Ring that little bell so you'll be notified of our upcoming videos. As always, thanks for joining us. Travel brilliantly. Bye! If you liked what you saw today, why not check out the playlist above or find us on social.